beautiful place with beautiful art and sculptures, would recommend for anyone who's a fan of Nigerian art and Yoruba culture. I really enjoyed myself here. This is an amazing place to visit. You can come here to have your local meal and have fun. Experience the vibrant culture and deep history of Lagos on this immersive walking tour. Over 5 hours, explore Old Lagos and see how the city reflects the diversity of Nigeria's 250 ethnic groups. Walk through historical sites tied to the slave trade and witness the city's transformation from Eko to Lagos. Visit the slave market, prison, and the renowned Door of No Return, gaining insight into Lagos's role as a major slave trade center. Encounter relics from the slavery era, including chains and artifacts displayed in the Slave Museum. Discover lively Lagos streets, where you'll observe local culture, food, and traditional dress from many ethnic groups. Enjoy the opportunity to meet friendly locals and feel the unique energy that defines Lagos.